Good afternoon, everyone. It is great to see you. Today, I'd like to talk about taking care of your home. So today I saw there's a home currently that is being sold. I guess it was either somebody's property or it just was unkept. And the reason why, don't know, but it's being sold in probate. Somebody passed away, and so they're selling it to recoup the costs of the asset. I don't know what happened, but the place smelled horrid. It was just disgusting. There was poop in the living room. So I question sometimes what kind of gets people to let their houses get to this point. And it's nuts. And I think about it more and I'm realizing we're treating your home as a very expensive, very nice piece of property and an asset and all this stuff. And then there's treating it like everything else. And it's unreal. You know, I'm not gonna say I'm the most perfect person in the world. I am not. I'm messy. I definitely have my shtick. But my Airbnb, I take the best care of it because it's fucking expensive and it's super nice, and it's just crazy to think that people treat these houses with such disrespect. And so this is a quick video today. Just want to talk about home care, preservation. Be nice to your home. And if you have any situations with your property, sell it. It's like a puppy. Don't treat it like shit. Get rid of it and give it to somebody who will treat it a lot better. Doesn't make sense. So that's really it. That was just on my mind today. I think the home was disgusting. It was one of the scariest things I've seen. I actually had to call a friend to come into the house with me because I was just terrified of being in there. So, all right, that's all I have today. There's nothing really else that exciting in the last day or so that I feel like sharing. So hopefully tomorrow something, I'm doing a shoot for a dentist's office. I'm actually really excited about it. And then I might be shooting some drone shots. So hopefully you guys will be able to see it, and yeah, everything will be amazing. All right, you have an amazing, beautiful day. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me so that you can see all the updates in every video that comes out. Appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next video.